So I wanted to drive to a big waterfall, still in the Westfjords, and drove by this part and was thinking maybe you should stop here and have a look and check it out if that's any good for maybe a possible photo. But there are those birds which have a very huge nesting area here, and as soon as I step a bit closer to that gate, they start lifting off and hovering my head. Whoa. 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 These birds are vicious, totally dangerous. I like the birds. Good bird. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, it's coming. Uh-oh, uh-oh. I think I look like a little bitch dodging the birds in the video. But maybe I am. Maybe I am. So I made it to the waterfall alive. I didn't end up as a roadkill. The name is Dynjandi, easily accessible in the Westfjords. Car park right there, easy walk, and it's quite huge, loud, and the weather, as always, very cloudy. It's early in the morning, 3 a.m. Everyone is sleeping, and yeah, well, I can take some angles here and there, but it doesn't opt for any photo operation. So yeah, just some quick clips. Like that. Yeah. I have no idea how to photograph that waterfall. It's Not as easy as I thought it would be. I don't know. But at least I took some footage with a camera and with a drone. You're not allowed to fly the drone around here. There's a sign. I noticed that the birds have a nesting right there behind me, but I noticed that the birds don't fly high, so I just went a bit uphill, started the drone and flew like 200 meters. I don't think that disrupts any wildlife up there, but I'm still violating the community's rules.
You are a rude, terrible person. You shouldn't be working for CNN. Go ahead.